everyone and welcome back to my channel. Myself Dr. Surbhi Sahni. Hope you are doing great. Till now we have covered the first part of the oral pathology topic that is very important. That is regarding the developmental disturbances in the number of the teeth. If you haven't checked out that video, I will definitely put the link of that video in the I button as well as in the description of this video. So don't forget to check out that, because that video is very important, and overall the oral pathology subject is very important and very vast. So it's important for you to, even if you are preparing for the NEET MDS examination, you need to go through the videos at least, or go through this topic very well in detail. Now back to the topic. Today we are going to cover the second topic, that is the developmental disturbances, that too in the size of the teeth. Right? Now that contains the two conditions, either the size is small or the size is large. Right? When the size is small, that is known as the microdontia. Micro means small and dontia means teeth. That means small teeth. That condition is known as the microdontia. The second condition that comes under the category of the developmental disturbances in the size of the teeth, that is the macrodontia. Macro means big, bada, right? Macrodontia, bada yani big, teeth. Dontia means teeth. So big teeth. That condition is known as the macrodontia. That means large teeth, big teeth, bada teeth, right? So we will talk about these two conditions, that too in detail. Don't forget to watch this video till the end and subscribe to my channel if you are new on my channel. Now starting with the microdontia, again as our name suggests, this condition means the small teeth. Now microdontia is further divided into two types. One is the true generalized microdontia. Second one is the relative generalized microdontia. So first of all, we see what is true generalized microdontia. In case of the true generalized microdontia, physically the teeth are usually smaller in size as compared to the normal, and there are certain conditions we see such type of the teeth. For example, in case of the Down syndrome or the pituitary dwarfism condition, we see the true generalized microdontia. So this condition is very important with this type of this is the important point for the NEET MDS examination. The second type of the microdontia is the relative generalized microdontia. That means the tooth is normal or smaller in the jaws as that of the larger than the normal. That means सामान्य दांत का जो भी साइज होता है उससे छोटे पाए जाते हैं, सामान्य रूप से, या तो बड़े होने की बजाय छोटे पाए जाते हैं. तो ये कंडीशन को कहते हैं हम relatively generalized microdontia. Followed by the another important point that come under the microdontia is microdontia. Does it involve the single tooth? The answer is yes. Microdontia involve a single tooth, and that too basically the maxillary lateral incisor. It appears to be a peg-shaped lateral, right? Now the second condition is the macrodontia, which is also known as the megadontia or megalodontia, right? So macrodontia means larger teeth or the big teeth. The types of the macrodontia, again it is further divided into two parts. One is the true macrodontia, true generalized macrodontia. A second one is the relative generalized macrodontia, right? In true generalized macrodontia, the tooth is appear to be larger than the normal size, and we usually see it in the condition like the pituitary gingitism, right? On the other hand, the second type of macrodontia is the relative generalized macrodontia, in that the tooth appear to be larger than that of the smaller than the normal, right? If we see and if we came to know that there is one question which come to our mind, does the microdontia usually affect a single teeth? So in case of the macrodontia also, does it include the single teeth? Yes, macrodontia also involve the single teeth, but it is usually seen in the condition that is the hemifacial hypertrophy. That is the main condition in which we see the macrodontia of a single tooth is involved. About the second topic or the second part, that is regarding the developmental disturbances in the size of the teeth. A very important part. Hope you like this video. Hit the like button. If you still have any query, you can drop me the mail which is shown on your screen. Don't forget to follow me on my Instagram ID which is shown on your screen. Thank you for watching, and in the upcoming video we will come forward with the another section of the oral pathology topic.